a role of the mother. Mothers everywhere embody the essence of multifunctionality and resilience. Each component of the Swiss Army knife serves a unique purpose, from the blade that slices through obstacles to the screwdriver that tightens bonds. All this mirrors the diverse roles a mother plays in our lives. Mothers are the Swiss Army knives of our homes. With grace and efficiency, they switch between tools, career giver, then they become a teacher, they become a confidante, they become a chef, they become a driver, they become a cop. Each role unfolding seamlessly as the moments demand.